Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. So as you can see behind me, the wind did not play over the weekend. So let me bring it so you can see closer. You see there, all the strawberries that I planted in a tower, everything fell. The wind threw it over, but I should have known better. I should have supported it better before the wind, but I totally forgot. I was busy and forgot. So now I have to repot it. Those are some of the things you have to deal with when you're gardening. Yep, comes with the territory. So I have to repot everything. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys some of my potatoes already started growing. And I'm going to plant a little bit more potatoes on the other side of my house. So yeah, let's get started.